How's it going, everybody? My name's Eddie from Colton RV, and behind me we have our last remaining 2024 model. This is brand new. It's a Grech Turismo-ion all-wheel drive Mercedes diesel. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So on this 2024 Grech, a couple key features you're going to have in the front. So the chassis is an all-wheel drive chassis. It's designed to go off-road if you want to go find an adventure. But with the all-wheel drive, they had the really cool black Rhino rims on there and a lot bigger tire. So with that, like I said, you can go off-road with it more. It has the shocks package on it from Mercedes. But even though it's an all-wheel drive coach, it still keeps that Grech feel. So on the body kit, you're going to have the better bumper. You're going to have the stainless steel on the sides. It truly still looks like a luxury vehicle, but still has that off-road capability with it. On the passenger side, a couple key features. You are going to have a slide out screen here, so if you want to let nature in, you can do that. Up above, you're going to have an armless awning. It's going to come out, have a light underneath of it for you still, so when you are outside, you can hang out. The door, of course, like any Mercedes, is the power door. You give it a pull, it'll close for you. And then as we move back, same thing. You're going to have the black Rhino rims on the back. Lot taller tire for you, so if you are going to go off-road, do some exploring. As we move around the back, a couple cool things. So this is a pretty unique floor plan. This one's going to have the twin benches in the back that converts to a full king. I'll show you once we get inside what that looks like. But on the back, you're going to have a power screen that comes down, as well as your power nightshade. So when you do get ready to go to bed, you press the button, nightshade comes down, completely closes off the coach for privacy. On the back, they are going to give you a little glass hammer here in case of an emergency, so you can break the window. Because with Grech, it's really cool. They do streamline windows all the way around, so they're not going to open up for you. So to get that emergency window access, you have that. You could also just pull the handle on the door, either one. Underneath on the Grech, a couple things you'll notice. You do have park sensors on the back bumper. Underneath here, you are going to have a full hitch equipped. So you can do some e-bikes or pull in a small trailer. As we move around, same thing, body kit around the whole side of the coach. And you'll actually see there's a little exhaust pipe sticking out here. We'll touch on that a little later once we get inside, but that has to do with your heating and cooling inside the coach. On the side here, so very cool. This is an extremely HOA friendly vehicle as well. The reason for that is all your RV connections are actually hidden back here behind a stainless steel panel. So this does not look like an RV at all. It looks more as a luxury transport vehicle or just a classic van. So most HOAs will not have a problem with this vehicle being in your driveway. But under this panel, a couple things you're going to have. You're going to have your 30 amp connection that runs into the coach for your electric. You're going to have your cable in and out if you have cable TV or satellite TV at your site. You'll have an outdoor shower here, and then your water connections are right there. As you move down the side, behind this panel right here is going to be your sewage dump station. All that's nicely enclosed behind this fiberglass panel. Again, everything is super stealth, super HOA friendly. Driver's door here. You're going to have your diesel fill up. Again, this is a diesel vehicle, so you're going to get exceptional fuel mileage with it. Really good ride quality. But same thing, beautiful body panels all the way around. Once you get to the front of the vehicle, park sensors in the front, beautiful body kit that Grech puts on the coach. Not a lot of other manufacturers are going to do that in the price point. And this one was ordered in the white. So without further ado, we'll step inside. All right, so stepping up into the Grech here. Like I said, you're going to have that screen door that goes the whole length of the door, which is nice if you want to get that breeze. Once we step into the coach, a couple things we'll touch on. So up here in the driver passenger cockpit, both of these chairs will swivel for you. Easiest way to do it is open the driver passenger door, hit the swivel button on the bottom, and they'll turn. Neat thing that Grech does though, up here you're going to use the premium chassis, so you will have adaptive cruise control, you will have braking assist, you have the power button for your door here as well. The seats, even though they have been refinished by Grech in ultra leather versus the Mercedes leather, they are still heated. So I don't know if we can get a shot of the seat here, but Grech does a really good job with their leather. It's all embroidered up on the headrest. The ultra leather is the softest material I've ever felt on a seat. It's incredible that they found this. But they still keep the heated option from Mercedes. Again, a lot of other manufacturers in the price point, they aren't going to use the premium chassis. They're going to give you a stripped down chassis. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense when you're spending a lot of money on the vehicle to strip down the bones, the motor of the vehicle. But with that, you have all the safety features, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's ready to go on the road. We'll head into the back of the vehicle and take a look. So as we move back in this Grech, a couple key features I want to talk on. So number one is going to be the brains of the operation here. So this is going to be your Firefly control system. It's probably one of the best systems on the market today, arguably. But what this allows you to do, this is the brains of the operation. So it allows you to do all your light features. It allows you to do the ottomans. It'll tell you your tank levels, but it makes it super, super easy to read. We'll walk through it really, really quick for you. On the home page, top left box here, you have your ottoman control to bring the beds up and down because they are power. Top right is your tanks. Bottom is your light master where you can turn your lights on and off and your awning control. Bottom right is going to be your house battery. So it's just going to tell you what your battery voltage is at. On the second page, all that is your light controls, turn your lights on and off. Anything with a double arrow you can hold down and dim or bring the light up, which is pretty neat. You can dim all the lights down if you want to have a nice relaxing night. Electrical settings, all this page does is tell you what's going on with your electric. It tells us we're plugged into AC power and we're charging our lithium batteries. Speaking of lithium batteries, we also have 1260 amp hours on this coach, which is arguably one of the best capacities on the market in a Class B. 1260 amp hours is going to get you ample time to run your air conditioner, which you can run off the lithium. It'll give you ample time to run your lights, your water pump, anything you may need. So if you are truly using this as a point A to point B vehicle, or you're even going out in the woods, the desert, anywhere you want to go, you have quite a bit of time before you would either one, have to plug the vehicle in, or two, run your second alternator on your motor to charge that lithium back up. Gives you a lot of options. Next page is just going to be your HVAC, heating and cooling, your power vent fan, your air conditioner, and your heat. Now as for heat, when we were outside, I pointed out that little exhaust pipe. So with the heating, this is going to use the Timberline system. What Timberline does, it's a diesel heater. It's going to heat your interior air, ambient temperature. It's also going to heat your water. So it's almost like a boiler system in a house. It's a super, super effective system, especially if you are going to be using this vehicle in the winter. Or you just want quick hot water to take a shower. It's arguably one of the best systems out there, Timberline. Next on here, you're going to have, this is the fun menu. This is the shades menu. So everybody loves this one. When you get into the vehicle, if you want to relax for the night, you're settled in, all you're going to do is hit the shade down button. All your shades are electric. They're all going to come down. It's super cool, super easy. Grech really didn't hold back with any gadgets in the coach. But it's going to allow you to turn the whole coach into a private area, getting ready for bed, getting ready to change, getting ready to use the shower, anything you want to do. Just like that, you can bring them up individually or all together. And then on the back there is a power screen as well that will come down and screen off the whole back. That way when you have both doors open, you don't have to worry about bugs getting in. You don't have to worry about any of that. Keep the coach nice and clean. And that is about it on the Firefly system. As we move back, we'll get back into the fun gadgets. You're going to have solid surface all the way around. And it's a really good solid surface. It's not that light stuff. As we move back, because we are an all-electric coach, you're going to have your induction cooktop here. So it's a true induction. It makes it super nice to cook in here because it doesn't get it very hot like a propane furnace would, or a propane stove, I should say. On the other side of the coach, we'll swing the door open here. Now, this is fun too. This is probably one of the best wet baths on the market today. And the reason I say that is nobody else that I know of in this price point is throwing a window in that wet bath. So it's super convenient, especially if you don't like tight spaces. It really brings that natural light in, doesn't make it feel tight in there. And of course it is a very tinted window. There is a shade on it as well if you want to bring the shade down, but it just really opens up a small space. It does have its own separate fan in here, so if you are taking a hot shower, suck the steam right out. And another cool thing is in a Class B especially, a lot of folks say, well, hey, where am I going to store things? Where am I going to store my clothes, my luggage, anything like that? If you're not using this at the time, it's a great spot. You can actually reach over, hit the unlock here, and there's a clothesline that comes all the way across. Hook it up, hang up a bunch of clothes, shirts, pants, anything you may need. Nice little convenience though if you're going down the road and you don't want to use a rest area or anything like that. As we move back in the coach, a couple things I want to point out. Air conditioner is going to be a Grech branded air conditioner. It's super efficient. It's great for when you're using that lithium 12 volt. Again, you can run that off your 1260 amp hours. You'll get ample time with that. As we move back though, you're going to have your fridge here. Pop it open. It is going to have a small freezer up on the top. Now, of course, we are in a small vehicle. You are going to have small appliances, but it's a great size fridge, great for the space, especially if you're just using this for a point A to point B vehicle, or you're using it to go out. You're not going to load up the fridge anyways, so plenty of room for that. Gets cold quick. We've only had this on for about 10 minutes, and it's already cold to the touch here. So again, we haven't had it running long. As we move back though, you're going to have storage all the way around the coach. And they have great hinges in them. They're not little chintzy hinges. They're not going to break on you. They're all metal. And again, I mean, you would expect the quality from Grech. Grech has been around for a long time, and they've been doing a great job at what they do. As we move to the back, you're going to have some more storage here. Obviously, we have all your manuals and everything packed away at the moment. But again, nice to see the space in there. Plenty of room to put everything up there. And you'll get one more overhead on this side as well. And again, as we move back, a couple things you're going to get back here in this area. You are going to have another screen. So with the other screen, it's everything that the front screen does. But when you do want to make these beds down into an ottoman, all you do is hit the button and they'll lay down flat. And we'll show you that hereafter. But it does all the same exact features as the front one does. So you can control the whole coach from bed, right at the tip of your fingers. You'll get a TV back here as well. Small TV, Vizio with a sound bar on it. But the windows are exceptional. I mean, you have ample light coming in. They're very tinted windows, so you have a lot of privacy even with the shades up. And the lighting inside really just makes it feel like a wide open space for being such a small vehicle. So, as I promised, I'll show you here how this works. So for the ottomans, all you do, you're going to press the extend button. They're going to lay down flat. So this again is the bench configuration that's going to form into one large bed. Of course, these are going to form in touch. You can use your imagination, but plenty of room to sleep. And again, it's that same ultra leather that's on the front. So it's a super soft, super supple ultra leather. They really didn't hold back anything when they were making this coach, which is neat. That's going to wrap up our tour here of the 2024 Grech Turismo-ion all-wheel drive. If you have any other questions or you'd just like to know how to buy this beautiful coach, feel free to give us a call. My number is 716-957-3250. My direct extension is 342. Again, my name is Eddie, and I hope you guys have a great day.